let's see how we can convert an image to a video. We're gonna use, of course, InShot, and then we're gonna use Videorama. We're gonna work with this image right here, this one. You can see we have some wolves, and before that I'm gonna show you what you shouldn't do on your Instagram stories. So we have our screen, and if you publish the image as it is, it's gonna look like this. As you can see, it doesn't look good. It loses quality, and I don't recommend that because you're gonna lose one of the wolves on the left side. So how can we fix this? So we're gonna go to InShot, and then we're gonna tap on photo, select the photo. I select the wrong one. Let's go back, select your photo, and then tap on canvas right here, and then we're gonna select 9:16. That's the proper size for Instagram stories. Then you're gonna tap right here, and it's gonna adjust by itself. And what we can do right here is to make the image bigger. We can do it with this. Just move it to the right side and place the image in the center, and it'll be it. Let's save it, and now we have the proper size. And then we have to make it a video, because right now it's just an image. And if you publish that image by itself, it's not gonna last 15 seconds, and that's one of the reasons why I convert images into videos, so they last longer, even though it doesn't have movement or effects or things like that. And to make it 15 seconds long, we're gonna use Videorama. Let's open it, and then you're gonna have few options on the bottom. Tap on portrait 9:16. As you might tell, it's the same size that we were using on InShot. Select your photo and tap on next, and then you're gonna have your photo in portrait mode, and then you're gonna tap this area, and you'll see this menu on the bottom, and we're gonna tap on duplicate. You have to do it around like about 14 times, because every time you tap, you're adding 1 second to the video. And as you can see, right now we have 11, 13, 14. This is 15 seconds long. So now we're gonna tap on right here, okay. Then we're gonna go to 1080 on 60 frames per second, and then tap on photos, and it's gonna save it on your photos. And now you can just easily publish that video on your Instagram stories. As simple as that. But if you wanna like bring it to another level, you can do something like this. And this is an Instagram story that I made, and it has text on top, and it also has music in the background and a few effects. And let's see it. So that's what you can do with a little bit more of editing, but what we did is just this simple. It's just an image with no movement, no music, no nothing. You can just publish it like that, and it's gonna last longer than a regular image. And this is how you do it. And if you want to see more samples, more images with effects, you can just go to my Instagram account. This is my account right here, and I publish every day but Sundays. You can just go there and see like all these images, like of course as an image, and in the Instagram stories you can see the same image but with music and some effects, so you can make them look cooler, you know. And yeah, this is what I do. If you want to see these images with some effects, you can come to my account and see what I do. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.